Oh look, my blizzard's here. Whoa! Day 17 of being upside down. I don't know what it is. My hair's starting to grow in the wrong spots. Everything smells bad. They won't let me in the drive-thru. Oh my gosh. I need to get right side up. Hey guys, you can flip my car over now. The gag's over. Hello and welcome back to Harry P's Food Reviews, where you gotta roast your food before you eat it. And today, we're doing a dessert episode. We have the Dairy Queen Frosted Animal Cookies Blizzard. Ooh, look at that. Look at that pink color. Animal crackers first gained fame when Shirley Temple sang that song, Animal Crackers in My Soup. Which is weird, because animal crackers are a dessert. You're not gonna put this in soup. Come on, Shirley. What are you thinking? Surely that was a mistake. The animals they use for this are typically lions, tigers, bears, oh my. But I'm still holding out that one day we'll get Pikachu, hashtag fat Pikachu gang, and a liger. It's basically my favorite animal. As if circus animals didn't have enough of a hard living condition, now we have kids pretending to eat them in half and cover them in sugar coating. I heard in Venezuela they gotta eat the real thing. As you can see from the intro, Dairy Queen likes to flip their blizzards upside down just to give you a mini heart attack. Then if you look at their menu, you realize, oh look, the burgers and fries are there to give me the real heart attack. I just hope that when the employees get a different job, like working at a coffee shop, they don't accidentally dump the coffee all over the floor when they flip it upside down. 2020 has honestly been like a blizzard, right? It flips your whole world upside down and you watch it slowly melt away, deep. The iconic Dairy Queen flipping, 1, is flipping awesome, and 2, has inspired a lot of other people to flip their own worlds upside down, such as people who like to drink non-alcoholic beer, I'm assuming, characters in TV shows, and even this stunt driver. Look at that. I wonder how much that cost. Without further ado, let's dig in. If you're wondering, I like to put my ice cream in the microwave for 30 to 45 minutes before I eat it. Give it that nice soupy texture. Maybe that's what Shirley Temple meant. First impression, I like it. It's obviously ice cream, right? I love ice cream. I love almost all ice cream. But this also has the animal crackers in it. I'll see if I can find a piece to show you. A bit of a strange combination, to be honest, but the flavors go well together. With strawberry ice cream. You can like kind of see the shape of one. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. The little polka dots are sprinkles, and those can get kind of hard, just from what I've noticed from the first few bites, but yeah, overall it tastes really good. I like it. Hey, finally a Blizzard product that doesn't let you down, right? Wow. Let me know, how soupy do you guys like your ice cream? Obviously this is not Dairy Queen's fault. I just waited a long time on my drive home to get this. But I normally do eat ice cream at this consistency, this soupiness. It's just easier to eat. Plus the cookies can get hard. I'm trying to avoid a brain freeze. I know it's like 95 degrees where I am, but like, don't want to brain freeze. This is how much I have left. Hey, give me 10 retweets down below and 5 upvotes, and I'll chug this. Okay, waiting. Oh, there we go. It's hard to chug when there's hard chunks in this. And if I choke on this, I'm the only one here. It's not gonna be good. Overall, I'd say 5 out of 5 maples. Bear in mind, it is a dessert. I'm not gonna eat this all day, every day, or am I? But it's a good blizzard. Dairy Queen's always had quality ice cream, making Texas proud. Also, the last video we did, never order these foods at McDonald's, is doing extremely well. It already has more views than the previous 2 videos. So next video will be another never eat blank from this restaurant. So get ready. And we are at 82 subscribers, 18 away from that magic number 100. If you guys can, subscribe down below. Liking also helps, but subscribing makes the biggest difference. And the question of the day, what is your favorite fast food ice cream? Apparently McDonald's has frozen ice cream products. It's just that their machines are always down, so I've never had one. Wendy's has Frosties, which melt if you light the building on fire. So let me know down below. And until next time, keep on munching.